In this video, we're going to take you through the vertical square foot takeoff, and as a part of it, we're going to cover off a variety of tips and tricks. Now, the vertical square foot takeoff is a really powerful takeoff in a couple of instances, but really specifically where we're trying to use the floor plans to ascertain internal measurements. Now, in this example, I'm going to do paint, but other common ones are things like drywall, paint, as we mentioned, tile, and really, again, anything that comes up the inside of the walls for which we can't really do elevation takeoffs for. Now, to begin, we're going to go ahead and make sure a unit of measurement is going to be SF for square foot, and we're going to go ahead and launch the takeoff tool now. I'm going to start by navigating down to my floor plan. And from here, to activate the square foot takeoff, I'm actually going to use this line tool here. Now, when I do that, Buildxact is now going to ask for the height, and I'll go ahead and enter in that it'll be 9 feet to begin with, just a standard height size. And I'm going to go ahead and zoom in now on my plans to begin to do my takeoff. So as with any of the takeoffs, to zoom in, I'm going to hit this little orange circle, click and drag my mouse in to zoom in around my plans. And then to navigate around, I'm going to simply click and hold my mouse. And as long as I'm holding my mouse down, I can move myself around. Now, from here to begin, we're basically ready to go. So again, I got the line tool, I've got my height stipulated, and the line tool is very simple to use in that it's a single click to start. When I do that, you'll see that this label will pop up. This line will start to chase my mouse around, and I'm simply going to bring it to the other side of the wall and click once more. From here, I'm going to click again to restart the line, go up to the top, single click to stop, but click again to start. And I'll bring it to the side of the doors here and single click to finish. Now, as a quick tip and trick here, the vertical square foot is very dynamic. So as an example here, let's just say that my doors in this case are going to be 7 foot high. So basically that means that in this case, there's only going to be 2 feet of paint across the top. I'm going to change the color as well, but it is important to note you don't have to change the color. I'm merely doing that just to visually sort of draw it and make a little bit clear that it's something different in terms of the height over this item. We're still doing it for an internal coat of paint, but now I'm going to click to start and then click to finish. And again, all it's really doing is taking the length of the line and timesing it by the stipulated height. And now I'm going to go back to my 9 foot and I'll just change the color again, and we can continue to move around the plans. So very, very handy, very easy to do. And essentially you could just keep going around and around your plans till you have all of your internal measurements, changing the heights as you need. And of course, once you're done, you can go ahead and hit accept and save, and that will then automatically pop our quantity in there. And just like that, that's our square foot takeoff.